So today we're going to be talking about Big Data by Ethan Roberts. Alright, so first and foremost, what is big data? Big data refers to complex and large data sets that cannot be analyzed by traditional processing tools. According to Oracle, big data includes structured data like an inventory or database, or a list of financial transactions, unstructured data such as social posts or videos, and mixed data sets like those used to train large language models for AI. With data storage continuing to expand, big data can help companies analyze the large volume of these data sets more accurately to ensure more precise business decisions for the future. Okay, and then who is using big data? Big data is being used by several companies in order to enhance and provide better services to their customers. To name a few, Amazon, Marriott Hotels, and Netflix are among some of the companies expanding their use of big data practices the most. Although these companies use big data in different ways to help their franchises respectfully, the main theme of big data being used is to enhance customer experience to make sure that the services of each business tailored to their customers and the customers return to their platform or service again because of the good experience that they had. All right, and then where are they using this big data? They're using it for business expansion. A lot of businesses are using big data in order to make expansions to their businesses, including the ones previously mentioned, such as Amazon and Netflix. A lot of businesses are using big data to analyze past data and use that to predict needs and expectations for future data of their business for customers. In addition to improving trends for the future, big data can also be implemented to help businesses reduce costs and reduce product waste. Another place they're using big data is to improve customer experience. Customers are experiencing better quality of service from companies that are putting big data into practice. With big data having a better understanding of customer needs and expectations, big data can be used to predict trends that will be likely for future needs and demands for certain businesses. Okay. And then why are they using big data in today's society? After analyzing a quote made by Peter Drucker, where he states, "You cannot manage what you don't measure," it puts the why question of using big data into a better light, as you can't obviously predict or analyze trends in data when you haven't measured it to do that. And then when thinking about big data, an easy way to remember why companies are using it is by using the 3 V's, which are volume, velocity, and variety. And the 3 V's help to remember that more data is coming across the internet every second than that was stored in the entire internet 20 years ago, which characterizes volume. And being able to keep up with data being created to stay ahead of competitors is very important as well, and this is a measure of velocity. And then finally, the form of messages being sent, whether that be email, text message, etc. And then, of course, this will be the 3rd V, which is variety. All right, and then when are they using big data? As previously stated, big data is primarily being used by companies to allow for better delivery of the 3 V's, which include velocity, volume, and variety. In addition to analyzing the 3 V's to see if big data could help with these trends, some other reasons businesses may use big data is to retain and acquire customers, to reduce costs and time, and to create new products and services, etc. Okay, and then how can big data be applied in Africa? The big data and analytics market is expected to grow by nearly 15% through 2026 worldwide, and Africa could use this to their advantage, as big data can not only allow Africa to take advantage of this market, but to amplify the local impact of innovations, but also to amplify in a concrete way the contribution of digital in the growth of this continent. And the question of whether Africa should invest more in big data is not a debate of when to invest, but how much to invest. And in order to take advantage of this enormous market, if measures are put into place to overcome the existing difficulties, which include massive investment in local data centers and reinforcement of legislation on data sovereignty and protection, and creation of training courses specialized in data management, etc., then Africa could benefit highly from expansions of big data. And then we got 2 truths and 1 lie here about big data in Africa. So Africa's big data industry is growing rapidly with investments in AI and analytics increasing across sectors like agriculture, finance, and healthcare. Mobile developments in Africa have significantly contributed to the rise of big data, as vast amounts of user-generated data are collected from mobile banking and social media. And finally, Africa lacks any significant data centers, forcing all big data processing to be done outside of the continent. So I'll give you a second to look over those and pick out what you think is the lie. And then we have the works cited page here. And thank you so much for watching.